Amazing focaccia bread vertical bar, how to make it in 6 easy steps. Ingredients: 600 grams or 4½ cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of dry active yeast, 450 grams of warm water, sea salt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, fresh rosemary garlic, confit coarse sea salt instructions. Add 600 grams or 4½ cups of all-purpose flour and a quarter teaspoon of dry active yeast to a large bowl. Stir to distribute the yeast evenly and leave a well in the center of the flour. Add 450 grams of warm water and a pinch of sea salt to another bowl. Stir to dissolve the salt and pour the warm salted water into the bowl with the flour mixture. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Use hands or a stand mixer with a dough hook to mix the ingredients together until a wet dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly greased large mixing bowl. Use a series of folds to incorporate air into the dough and create gluten. Cover the bowl with a wet towel and let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. Repeat the folding process 3 or 4 more times. Let the dough rest and ferment in a sealed bowl until it has doubled in size. Prepare a baking pan by greasing it with extra virgin olive oil. Transfer the dough to the pan and gently press and stretch it into each corner. Cover the pan and let the dough rise a second time in a warm environment. After about an hour, dimple the dough with wet fingers. Cover the dough again and continue proofing for another 45 minutes to an hour. Top the dough with fresh rosemary leaves, garlic confit, and coarse sea salt. Bake the focaccia in a preheated 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 190 degrees. Let the focaccia cool for a few minutes before drizzling with extra virgin olive oil. Cut the bread in half and enjoy.